If you're in Salzburg or planning to go to Salzburg, here are 10 things you should do. For a more updated list and some useful links about cheap hotels, flights, experiences, and travel insurance, check the description below. Explore the Altstadt, Old Town. The Altstadt of Salzburg is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, offering a captivating journey through centuries of history and architecture. As you meander through the narrow streets, you'll be enchanted by the well-preserved buildings that showcase various architectural styles. Admire the Gothic spires, Renaissance courtyards, and the ornate Baroque facades. Each building tells a story, from the medieval Salzburg Cathedral to the elegant residence palace. Take your time to immerse yourself in the ambience, explore the small squares that are adorned with statues and fountains, and visit the charming shops, cafes, and traditional Austrian restaurants that line the streets. Visit Hohensalzburg Fortress. Hohensalzburg Fortress is a majestic castle that stands proudly on a hilltop overlooking Salzburg. It is one of the largest and best-preserved fortresses in Europe. Begin your visit by taking a funicular railway ride or hiking up the hill to reach the fortress, which offers breathtaking panoramic views of the city, the Alps, and the surrounding countryside. Inside, you can explore the various sections of the fortress, including the princely chambers, the staterooms, and the fortress museum. The museum houses a vast collection of artifacts, weapons, and medieval art, providing insight into the castle's rich history. Ascend to the top of the fortress's tower for an even more magnificent view. Don't forget to catch one of the live performances or concerts held within the fortress walls to experience the magic of music in such a historic setting. Discover Mozart's birthplace. Mozart's birthplace, located on Gautrey de Gas, is a place of pilgrimage for music lovers. This yellow townhouse is where Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart was born in 1756. The museum inside brings Mozart's early years to life. Explore the rooms where Mozart and his family lived, including the apartment where he was born. The museum showcases original manuscripts, portraits, instruments, and personal belongings, allowing you to gain a deeper understanding of Mozart's life and his extraordinary musical talent. As you wander through the museum, you'll be immersed in the atmosphere of the time, imagining the young prodigy composing his masterpieces. No Salzburg trip is worth it without visiting Hallstatt, a mesmerizing gem nestled in the heart of Austria's Salzkammergut region. With its breathtaking scenery, rich cultural heritage, and enchanting ambience, Hallstatt offers an unforgettable experience for travelers. The village's idyllic setting on the shores of Lake Hallstatt, surrounded by towering mountains, creates a picture-perfect backdrop that will leave you in awe. As a UNESCO World Heritage Site, Hallstatt is steeped in history, and exploring its ancient roots is a captivating journey. Don't miss the opportunity to delve into the village's salt mining legacy, dating back thousands of years, by venturing into the intriguing salt mines. Whether you are a nature lover, history enthusiast, or simply seeking tranquility, Hallstatt promises a remarkable visit that will leave an indelible mark on your memories. Stroll through Mirabell Gardens. Mirabell Gardens is a true oasis of beauty in Salzburg. Originally designed in the 17th century, these splendid gardens are a harmonious blend of symmetry, colors, and fragrances. Take a leisurely stroll along the meticulously manicured pathways, flanked by vibrant flowerbeds bursting with seasonal blooms. Admire the impressive statues and sculptures that grace the garden, including the centerpiece Pegasus Fountain, surrounded by playful water features. The Hedge Theater, adorned with greenery and flowers, provides a charming backdrop for occasional concerts and performances. The garden's enchanting atmosphere invites you to relax on a bench, breathe in the fragrant air, and savor the tranquility of this serene urban retreat. Visit Salzburg Cathedral. Salzburg Cathedral, also known as Salzburger Dom, is a masterpiece of Baroque architecture that exudes grandeur and elegance. As you approach the cathedral, you'll be captivated by its awe-inspiring facade, adorned with intricate details, statues, and reliefs. Step inside to discover a world of artistic beauty. Marvel at the stunning frescoes that adorn the ceilings, depicting scenes from biblical stories and Salzburg's history. Admire the ornate altars and chapels, which showcase exquisite craftsmanship and provide a glimpse into the city's religious heritage. The highlight of the cathedral is the grand organ, with its majestic pipes and rich tonal quality. If you have the opportunity, attending a classical music concert or a performance by the renowned Salzburg Cathedral choir within this sacred space is a truly unforgettable experience. Boat ride on the Salzach River. Embarking on a boat ride along the Salzach River allows you to appreciate the city's beauty from a different perspective. Drift along the calm waters as you pass under picturesque bridges, capturing stunning views of Salzburg's architecture and natural surroundings. Admire the iconic silhouette of Hohensalzburg Fortress perched on the hilltop, the spires of the Salzburg Cathedral, and the charming riverside promenades. The riverbanks are dotted with charming cafes, restaurants, and parks, providing a serene atmosphere for relaxation. Whether you choose a short scenic cruise or opt for a longer excursion, the boat ride offers a peaceful respite from the bustling city and a chance to absorb the breathtaking landscapes that surround Salzburg. Explore the Hellbrunn Palace and Trick Fountains. Hellbrunn Palace, located a short distance from Salzburg city center, is a gem of architectural splendor and playful surprises. Built as a summer residence for the Prince Archbishop of Salzburg, the palace and its surrounding gardens provide a delightful escape. Take a guided tour of the palace's opulent rooms, adorned with beautiful frescoes, intricate stucco work, and period furniture. The palace offers a glimpse into the lavish lifestyle of the archbishops. However, the true highlight of a visit to Hellbrunn is the Trick Fountains. Created to entertain guests, these water features surprise and delight with hidden water jets, water-powered mechanical figures, and unexpected wet encounters. Your guide will ensure you experience the playful tricks firsthand, so be prepared to get wet and embrace the laughter and fun that comes with exploring this unique attraction. Visit St. Peter's Abbey. St. Peter's Abbey, founded in the 7th century, is a historic Benedictine monastery with a rich heritage. The centerpiece is St. Peter's Church, a true architectural masterpiece. Step inside the church to be captivated by its Baroque splendor. Marvel at the vibrant frescoes that adorn the ceilings and the ornate altar, crafted with intricate details. Explore the side chapels, each with its own story and artistic treasures. Descend into the ancient catacombs, an eerie underground labyrinth that houses the tombs of Salzburg's archbishops. Walking through these hallowed chambers provides a poignant connection to the past and offers a glimpse into the city's spiritual history. Afterward, wander through the serene St. Peter's Cemetery, one of the oldest and most picturesque cemeteries in Europe. Admire the beautifully crafted tombstones and the meticulously tended gardens that create a peaceful atmosphere of reflection and contemplation. Enjoy a classical music concert. Salzburg's musical heritage is renowned worldwide, and attending a classical music concert is a transcendent experience. The city offers a plethora of venues, from grand concert halls to intimate settings, where you can revel in the melodies of Mozart and other renowned composers. Immerse yourself in the soul-stirring performances of chamber orchestras, symphony ensembles, and soloists. The Salzburg Festival, held annually from July to August, is a highlight of the city's cultural calendar, attracting top-tier artists and orchestras from around the globe. The festival showcases an array of concerts, operas, and theatrical productions, ensuring an unforgettable cultural experience. Whether you choose a grand concert in a prestigious venue or an intimate performance in a historic setting, the music will transport you to another realm, allowing you to bask in the glory of Salzburg's musical legacy.